I'm going to show you how to make a simple viewfinder using a piece of card. So I'm just going to get my ruler. I'm just going to measure out a ruler's thickness along this side. And I'm going to do the same thing just at the bottom. Then I'm going to cut out along those lines, but I'm going to stop when I get to this corner. Try and keep it as straight as I possibly can along that line. And then again on this line just round here. And that will give me this sort of L-shaped section here. I'm going to do that again, repeat the same thing with the card that I've got left. Just going to mark along a ruler's thickness. And again at the bottom. And repeat that step by cutting out along the lines. Straight as possible. So I've now got 2 of these, and what I can now do when I've got my image is use each of these to decide which section I am going to focus on. If I wanted to, I could put a little bit of a paper clip or even some glue if I wanted it to stay there permanently. But if not, I can just lay them over the top to see what part I'm focusing on.